when I got to that estate sale, I didn't have high hopes. Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm in my dining room / kitchen, but I'm going to show you what I found today at this estate sale. We got there about 15 minutes early. There was a line out the door, a line outside. It was freezing, it was snowing. It just was not a ideal day for an estate sale. But me and our oldest went out today, and she found some stuff which she's going to show you later on in this video. I was going to film, and I started to while we were there, but it was so packed and the house was so small that the only thing you would have noticed in the video was this. Yeah, you would have just noticed us bumping into everybody because it was so packed and people were basically climbing up over you to try to get stuff, which I'm not sure what they were trying to climb up and get because there wasn't much there. There was only about 10 glasses in the kitchen. The living room had a couple paintings. The one bedroom had some older clothes and some costume jewelry, which that's where a lot of people were going. They also had a Squishmallow on the floor, and that we asked how much, and they wanted $30 for it. And at that point, I'm sitting there thinking, I don't see us finding anything. The garage had a few things in it that we ended up finding, which I'll show you in a second, and also there was a sunroom that had some stuff in it. So let's get into this and start showing you what we found. So one of the things we found out in the garage, this is a cool item, and I know ashtrays are collectible, but it is a terrible towel ashtray. If you're from Pittsburgh, Steelers wave the terrible towel. Steeler fans wave the terrible towel. So really cool small ashtray. This thing's probably only about 3 inches square. So it's a really neat little ashtray. If it was a little bit bigger, I'd put it on the back porch for a cigar, but it's not big enough. So this one will get cleaned up. Just a couple water spots like what they cleaned up. So we'll clean that up and get that thing sold. A couple things that we did find out on the patio, sunroom technically, was these Thermo Forks right here. I can try to show you right there. Brand new and packaged. It's like new old stock. I don't see a date on them, but it's as seen on TV. Original price tags are still on them, but they're brand new in the pack. You got that Thermo fork, this temp fork, and then we found another one of those. All brand new, sealed. I thought, yeah, that's a pretty good deal, especially with summer coming up in spring. People are going to be out grilling. These are really good. You can use them in barbecue, grill, even in a microwave. Okay. And I'll tell you what I spent at the end. We went outside, and it was honestly one of those things where I just didn't know how much she was going to charge because there wasn't prices on anything. So these two things I found out in the sunroom, I was kind of a little skeptical on, but I picked them up. This is Barclay by G&W. It's a 60 by 84 oblong tablecloth, brand new in the package. So kind of older. And then we also got this Caprice Classique 60 by 104 oblong tablecloth. One of the first things we noticed when we walked in, I had my kid grab them real quick, was these elephant cups right here. Come to find out, they are Barnum and Bailey plastic cups. So you probably got these at the circus. Probably, I don't know if I'll sell them as a set or individually. The pink one does seem to sell a little bit better. Yeah, the pink one does seem to sell a little bit better, but I don't think we'll have a problem selling those. But the last thing I found as we were walking out was these shoes. They are the Skechers Shape-Ups. Brand new, in the box. Women's size 8. Maybe she wants them. But they're women's size 8. These shoes are so ugly though, I am not sure why somebody bought them. Look at these.
Oh, Gina loves this.
Look at these things. I'm sorry, but first off, why is there 2 color strings? But these are what they are. I know Joey bought a Bing likes Sketch-Ups, right? Or Shape-Ups. I think he likes these. These are brand new. I wasn't going to pick them up if they were used, but these things are crazy. It also came with the Skechers Shape Up DVD. Shape Up While You Walk. DVD and booklet inside. It's designed to promote weight loss and improve posture and tone muscles. So Really cool. These should sell really well, and I'm happy with that. Now, I spent a grand total of 20 bucks on all this. She wanted a little bit more, but I kind of talked her down because I was a little skeptical. But I'm going to let my oldest show you what she found.
So I'm going to be showing you what I got from the estate sale that me and my dad went to. So first thing that I got, I spent a total of $10. So yeah, I got a PanaView 1. It is a lightened 2x2 side viewer. I think it's black and white, right? Okay, well it looks black and white. And it is there's still packaged up. I don't know if it was used, but it was definitely open right here. Okay, next thing that I got was a totally ticklish mini. And I found this on the shelf, and you can tickle Minnie. She loves to sing, and she moves. She sings Hot Diggity Dog. So that is her. And it says, the more you tickle, the more I laugh. So I thought that this was really good, a really good pickup. And again, I spent a total of $10 on everything. Again, the estate sale wasn't as good as I thought it was gonna be, but we still got some good stuff. So hope you liked the haul from the estate sale that we went to this morning. Subscribe and stay safe, stay healthy, and keep picking. Bye, guys.